Are you looking for the best hair straightener? In this video we will look at some of the best hair straightener on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, HSI Professional Glider Hair Straightener. While it may not be one of the more familiar names in hair styling, the HSI Professional Hair Straightener goes to show that an unfamiliar brand name doesn't always mean lesser quality. It's much cheaper than many of the high-end hair straighteners, but this flat iron still provides great results. It can make your hair sleek and straight, but its 1-inch plates also allow you to curl and flip your hair for added versatility, so you can change up your look with one styling tool. The plates of the HSI Professional are made of solid ceramic that is infused with tourmaline. The combination allows for consistent temperature and gives hair a smooth finish. The wide range of heat settings, starting at 140 degrees Fahrenheit and going up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, gives you more control over styling and makes this an ideal straightener for multiple hair types. Those with fine hair can keep the straightener at a lower temperature, while those with thick hair can increase the temperature to ensure they'll walk away with the same smooth results. No matter your hair type, the floating plate design and the curved edges of the plates themselves prevent any snagging or damage, so your hair will glide through smoothly. This is more than most high-end hair straighteners come with, all for a fraction of the price. Pros: works on multiple hair types, wide range of temperature control, versatile style options, heats up quickly, 360-degree swivel cord, affordable. Cons: no automatic shut-off, placement of the controls is inconvenient. Number 2, BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Ultra Thin Straightening. While some travel-sized hair straighteners are too small to heat up effectively, the BaBylissPRO Nano Mini combines functionality with a compact size, so you can have a travel-friendly hair straightener that is just as effective as its full-sized cousin. The plates allow the BaBylissPRO Mini to get close to the scalp, so it will straighten hair from root to tip. It's lightweight and compact at 6 inches long, so it will fit easily in a purse or carry-on bag with no hassle. It comes with a heat-resistant travel pouch for storage, so you can pack up and go at a moment's notice before or after straightening your hair. The plates are a combination of titanium and ceramic, so you get the best of both worlds: fast heat-up time and even temperature control. The adjustable temperature allows the plates to heat up to an impressive 430 degrees Fahrenheit, making this travel iron ideal even for those who have coarse, curly hair that's typically difficult to straighten. Since this is a travel flat iron, dual voltage is a must, and it delivers on this front as well, so you won't have to worry about blowing a fuse and frying your hair or your straightener. Pros: lightweight and compact, titanium and ceramic plates for quick and consistent heating. Can heat up to 430 degrees. Comes with a heat-resistant carrying case. Cons: may take longer to style long hair because of the small plates, no automatic shut-off, no 360-degree swivel cord. Number 3, NITION Professional Salon Hair Straightener. Next on the line is the NITION Professional Salon Hair Straightener, and it is a multi-purpose flat iron. This professional flat iron comes with amazing elements that lock in the natural moisture of your hair, avoids damaging and pulling off strands while straightening, and transforms frizzy hair to shiny, healthy, and sleek hair. This product is moderately priced, and it is an investment worth making. This flat iron is very easy to handle and use, thanks to its revolutionary design. With the adjustable temperature settings of this tool, you can adjust the temperature from 260 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for all types of hair and precise styling. Whether you have thick hair, fine hair, short hair, or long hair, you can adjust the temperature to suit your styling needs. The heating plate of this unit is also longer than the normal heating plates, and this allows for more efficient and fast styling. This styling iron heats up pretty fast, and it comes with an auto shut-off feature that shuts it off when it is not in use for 60 minutes. This security feature comes in handy, especially for those that are quite forgetful. It has 6 precise temperature options for fine hair, medium hair, and thick hair. This unit delivers innovative healthy styling, thanks to its 5"-1 ceramic-coated heating plate that is infused with argan oil, nano silver, titanium, and tourmaline. Pros: innovative healthy styling, 2-in-1 functionality, curling and straightening, very easy to use and handle, ideal for all hair types. Cons: lots of static. Number 4, BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Mini Straightening. The BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Ultra Thin Straightening Iron is one of the most popular hair straighteners on the market. This is a highly versatile flat iron that you can use on any hair type: coarse hair, thin hair, fine hair, natural hair, frizzy hair, curly hair, thick hair, long hair, and more. In addition to being versatile, this tool is great for damaged hair. It revitalizes it and leaves it healthy, shiny, and beautiful. It comes with titanium plates that conduct heat pretty well, and it provides you with super smooth straightening. The titanium plates are also resistant to corrosion, which means they will not corrode and they will serve you for a very long time. It comes with a ceramic heater that heats up very quickly. The maximum temperature of this iron is 450 degrees Fahrenheit and it has 50 different heat settings. With such a broad heat control, you can adjust the temperature of the iron to suit your needs. The wide heat range also makes it ideal for all hair texture and types. It features an ultra-thin and lightweight design that makes it very easy to handle. It is very comfortable in the hand and it provides a firm grip, which means it would not slip off your hand while in use. The tool also allows for faster straightening, thanks to its 5 inches extended plate. The width of the plate is 1 inch and it is gentle. You can also use this tool to create loose, beachy waves, thanks to its versatility. Pros: 50 heat settings up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Ultra lightweight and slim design for maximum comfort. Conducts high heat and resists corrosion. Ideal for all hair types. Cons: a bit pricey. Number 5. CHI G2 Ceramic and Titanium 1 1/4 Straightening. The G2 Ceramic and Titanium 1.25 inches flat iron from CHI is another top-rated flat iron for damaged hair. This styling tool comes with ceramic plates, and the plates heat up gently to provide your locks with the gentle touch it needs. Damaged and thin hair would see major improvements with this tool. For increased durability and fast heating, the ceramic plates of this iron are infused with titanium. People with damaged locks should always go for flat irons that give them superior control of the heat. If the heat is too much, the impact on the already weakened strands can be horrible. This straightener comes with a ceramic heater that heats up gently and provides you with control over the heat. It has different preset temperatures for different hair types, with a maximum temperature of 425 degrees Fahrenheit. It also has color coding, with blue for fragile hair, 0370F, which is the ideal range for damaged hair. The green color is for medium hair, 375 to 395F, while the right color is for coarse hair, 400 to 425F. The ceramic plate of this device is 1.25 inches wide and it allows for faster styling. It is also travel-friendly, thanks to its dual voltage and lightweight nature. The plates take 40 seconds to heat up and the iron comes with a 2-year warranty. Pros: color-coded digital temperature setting for easy use. Automatically shuts off after 1 hour. Ceramic heater for frizz-free, shiny tresses. Larger plates for faster styling. Cons: a bit pricey. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.